Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.